Okay, this is the stock headlights. They're a little foggy from being old, but still decent condition. These are the low beams. These are the high beams. These are just regular bulbs. But these headlights have been aimed correctly. You have a left-right adjustment and an up-down adjustment. The way you do that is 25 feet ahead of you from the bumper of the vehicle. You want to mark 3 feet up on a piece of wood, and the center of that, the brightest beam should be on top of that 3-foot line and 25 feet in front of you. And the headlight should not veer to the right or the left. It should be straight ahead. This is correctly adjusted low beams, correctly adjusted high beams. Now, I did externally regulate this alternator. I bought a Mopar, just off the shelf, $19 external voltage regulator, and I used a pulse width modulation from that to run the, it failed. Now, I did that to run the stock alternator, because the Terminator X, I can't, I can get it to run off the Terminator X, but I was in a pinch. I didn't have time to mess with it. I did try it. I couldn't get it to work, so I just externally regulated it, and I hooked a relay up to it to cut down the voltage. The voltage now is about 14.2. So again, stock headlights, and this is, just the fog light right here. The fog lights are off. I'm going to turn off the headlights. That's the fog light. Okay? And that's only one fog light. The right side, which is the passenger side. Now that fog light is dingy, it's old, and it's only one. So I ordered new, cheap $10 fog lights. And when I say cheap, it's $10 for both of them. So that's what's happening. I'm gonna put the Oxedo bulbs in whenever I get them.